Now, Storm Alert Weather 12 with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
So we're starting off with a look at our drought monitor from last week, and we have seen some conditions expand a bit into northern Jackson and even Josephine County and portions of Curry as well, and abnormally dry conditions have spread to our north just a little bit. But with that being said, our January has been very dry for us, and we're expecting to end out our January possibly on the same way with a few changes expected for next week. But if we're talking about our water year overall, we're still into surplus amounts for Klamath Falls, Montague, and Mount Shasta, but the same can't be said for Medford. So speaking of Medford, we're seeing dry conditions with bright and blue skies. Areas of fog that had developed this morning have cleared their way out into the Rogue Valley, but we're still seeing that denser fog into the Grants Pass area. We'll start to see it break up and clear out now that we're switching over into the afternoon. So highs today are expected to be into the 50s for most, and then along the coast we'll see winds pick up throughout your day as well. We're getting ready for a cold front to swing its way through overnight tonight. On the back end of that, we'll see those winds pick up areas east side tomorrow, mixing up that atmosphere a little bit more, helping with the air quality for our east side valleys. And when it comes to those lows tonight, we are expecting it to be a little bit chilly, but not quite as cold as what we're feeling this morning, thanks to the increased cloud cover. Like I mentioned, we are going to be staying dry as we switch over into the next few days. That air stagnation advisory is in place until 4 p.m. into your Friday. Well, we are expecting that cold front to move through today, but notice it is going to be a dry one. It will bring those increased winds along with it and cool temperatures down, but what we really need, that rain, we won't be seeing it. Notice as we switch into the second half of your day, we'll see a bit more of those clouds. Overnight tonight, it is going to increase. We'll see mostly cloudy to partly cloudy sky conditions for southern Oregon, and it is going to be mainly clear into northern California, so those lows will drop a little bit lower into Siskiyou County. Now for your Friday, we'll see those clouds kind of dissipate out, and then lots of sunshine into the second half of your day, and that'll continue right into your Saturday. With that being said, a bit more of that chillier air is going to be moving in, and we're expecting those low temperatures over the weekend to be rather cold. Now when it does come to precipitation chances, we have a weak system possible moving in into your Monday. It is kind of looking like we're going to be missing it, but that slight chance is still there. Where that chance grows for precipitation is into your Wednesday, where we have the possibility for more rain and even some mountain snow back into your forecast. But here's a look at your next 7 days for the coast. We'll have bright and sunny skies. Over the weekend, over into Northern California, we'll see clouds increase as we start into next week. But notice those low temperatures into your Saturday and Sunday. They do drop off and get rather chilly. Into the Klamath Basin as well, teens for your Saturday and Sunday, waking up in the morning. Over into the mountains, we'll see that slight chance for showers in your Monday, but will be a bit more likely as we switch over into the second half of your week. And finally, back over into the Rogue Valley, we'll more than likely be waking up with more areas of patchy, freezing fog again into your Friday morning. We'll have that slight chance for showers in their forecast for your Monday, but in general, dry and mild afternoons.